Done? You dead? What is up, ladies and gentlemen and hunters of YouTube, and welcome back to another exciting episode on the Get 'em Outdoors YouTube channel. Today's video, it is right around like 4:30, and I'm going to be going out with my buddies duck hunting, so hopefully I'll be able to get on my first duck ever in my entire life. Yeah, I'm going out with 3 of my buddies, so hopefully we'll be able to get this done. Remember, if you guys do enjoy my videos, make sure to leave this video a like. That's me that you like seeing duck hunting content and hunting content just like this on the channel, and it also pushes my content out to more people as well as more videos to you. And also go down there, comment down below your favorite thoughts on the video, what you guys want to see, or what you guys want to see me hunt in the near future, and I'll be sure to make that into a future video. And then also go down there, hit the subscribe button, and turn the post notifications on to be notified of every single video that I post here on YouTube. Without further ado, let's get into this. Let's get on some ducks, and let's go meet my buddies. Let's get this done. First duck hunt of the year. I'm so happy. First duck hunt ever. So let's get it done. Watch out. You done? You dead? I think he's still going.
No way. I bet it, yeah?
Hey, you guys smashed them.
Did you even shoot?
I shot twice.
Did you get it on film?
I think so. At least I got it on this one. Because this is recording and that's recording, so. This one wasn't, though. This was a little bit off.
What is a green winged teal? Like pretty rare for around finding them around here.
That's good. Yeah.
Hurry up, there's one right here too. Yeah, dude. I want to know if the third one's a drake, dude. Right. He's up here somewhere.
Yeah, I think he's still around. He's on that turn, basically, that turn path. If he's still hurt. Or if he's even hurt.
He got on the land.
Yeah, I wonder. Well, he was in the middle there for a while. If anything, he'd be right on this corner side, probably.
Right.
Or way back, but still.
I don't even know. I've never fucking seen it.
Yeah, it's a good year. Yeah, I'm not dealing with that shit.
Really?
Well, if it's a rare bird.
Yeah. This one's still alive.
That one's cool. I like that green stripe on it. Green and blue.
It's the same way.
Alright.
This one's still alive.
What? Blinking. why the f you gotta do that, bro?
Why are you mounting it?
Right here, right here, right here, right here.
Shoot it, shoot it, shoot it. Dixon, you were behind.
I know. Shit.
Dude, I couldn't find the safety on your weapon and I thought it was on the front.
Wait, where the fuck was that? Something just hit me in the fucking head. Was that the shell? The shell just. As soon as you shot, it did that, and I behind. Oh, whatever.
Which one was the diving one? That one?
Huh?
You kept diving out here?
So the first one that I got was the one on the end.
Yeah.
And then the one
Was right here.
I don't know if it was the top two, one of the top two.
I fired in on the second one.
I shot the last one.
Oh,
Dixon and I shot the last one.
God damn it. One just fell. Oh, there's more.
There's more. There's another one right here. There's a bunch.
Yep.
There's just one on the water. He just took off.
That's why I brought 6.
They're all on the log down here. Someone with a shell has to go down there and then leave and look. Where? That bamboo right there.
Yeah, there's one that flew down in there. Right on that backside strip.
Yeah.
Blew my ears out.
Oops. I don't even think I can hit anything, so.
Yeah, here I got 2 shells, you know.
I got 2 in me.
Darren, you need some?
I got 2.
There's one go down the water.
Yeah, there's one down.
Yeah, there's one down there and there's one over here that
See
fell.
him on the log? How many were there? That one's a bunch down there.
Yeah. Yeah, one went over here.
That's what I was kind of just like hoping that wherever we ended up, it was just they were gonna fly in somebody out this way or they fly out this way.
Yeah.
That's why I was gonna have Kobe stay down there.
Right.
So,
Yeah, in case they cross over.
I just shot all 3.
That's what I did. I didn't see who hit it. There you go. There you go.
Yeah, I watched him. He couldn't get out.
No, he was anyway. But at least we got 2 out of it.
It's gonna be my mother. Did you see him flying and he shooting?
I saw
No.
something.
Why is he
Blew up.
Right in midair.
Oh, great.
I wonder if that was the one that we hit.
Oh, yeah, it is. It's the one that flew out and couldn't get over.
He was a beautiful bird, too. Did you hear him kick up?
No,
I saw a little.
That's it for today, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching the video all the way through. I truly appreciate every single one of you that tune in and watch the video all the way through. You guys are the real MVPs, and I know you guys are my true fans, so thank you guys so much for that. In total, I think we shot, it was 5 or 6 of them. So we were able to get up and sneak up on those wood ducks and everything. Those ones tasted absolutely delicious. One of the best one of the best birds I've ever eaten. I've eaten goose, and then I've eaten duck, and duck just tops it. So yeah, that's awesome. And then we also were able to get a green-winged teal, or two green-winged teals, which are very, very rare in this area. My buddy and I were talking, and he said that he has a buddy of his that has been hunting there for over 40 years, and he's never seen a green-winged teal around here. So they're very, very rare birds. So that is awesome. I was glad and lucky that I was able to shoot one of them, just like my buddy was as well, and he was super surprised as well. So that was awesome. But thank you guys so much for watching the video all the way through. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to leave the video a like. If you did, comment down below your thoughts on the video, and also make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn the post notifications on to be notified of every single video that I post here on YouTube, so that it pushes more content out, like this out to you, and pushes more of my content out to you and to more people. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all on the next hunting adventure. Remember, when you guys are out in the woods or out on the water, make sure to stay safe, have fun, and go get 'em.